Ankush Pare. I study in class 8th. My school name is St. Joseph Poet School. I am here to speak about the topic AI. AI is not the branch of computer science. It is the main of creating something from artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means to create something by robots or now currently in year 2020 one robot has come to India name as Sophia. It is come in Hyderabad by UAE, known as Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, normal things are done by robots. In foreign countries, foreign countries. Now the people are not doing some work. Now AI has taken all the opportunities of doing work like mechanical hands. It also helps in those who are not having accident.
I want to become a businessman, so I will save.
Come closer.
I will save some money. I will save some money to buy land, and I will do some work to save money to build up a company. First, I will pass out the 12th. I will buy something in a lower price, and I will sell in a higher price, and the profit I will save. And after doing this to the college, I will have so much money, and I want to become a businessman of like computers, laptops, watch, mobile phones, and etc. I will want to become my company in all the countries and all the cities. In my in my thing, I should buy all the shops, some shops in every state, because when I sell to the shopkeeper, they will sell in lower price, and they will sell in the higher price. So I think I will buy shop, so I can sell in the more than I will get. So I will purchase some shops, and I will sell in that in higher price. This is my opinion.
Okay, thank you for coming and speaking.
Good morning everyone. My name is Naman, and I would be saying about the topic social media. So social media is a global platform which provide us to express our ideas and views. And nowadays youth are exchanging their ideas and views on all of most of the topic, and they are getting a better perspective on each topic, and so they could get a better opinion about each and everything, but it has some disadvantages also, that you could there's a danger of cyber bullying, and you could also feel sleepiness after watching spending most of the time on social media, and you could feel some stressful in yourself. So it should be used with caution, and despite some disadvantages we are using it because the disadvantages overweight the advantages. It should give a better networking. It's a means of entertainment for us, and it could be a family networking, so you could communicate through anyone fastly as possible. Yeah, so that's all.